Today is a big day, Johnny.
Hello.
Yes, hello. But today we learn a new word.
A new word. Are you ready, Johnny?
Hello.
He is ready.
The word is am.
Hello.
Am. I am.
Hello.
This is going well.
Look, I am a bear. Say it, I am a dog.
I am a biscuit.
Johnny, you are not a biscuit.
I am not a biscuit.
Very good. And what are you?
I am hungry.
That was fast.
Some words are easy when they are true. Now you are. Chloe, help me.
Johnny, look at me. You are a dog.
You are a dog.
No. I am not a dog. You are a dog.
You are a dog.
Robert, he says I am a dog.
He is a dog. For him, everybody is a dog.
Everybody.
It is a nice way to look at the world.
Johnny. I am Chloe. He is Robert. You are Johnny.
I am Johnny.
Yes. Yes. Again.
I am Johnny. I am a dog. I am hungry.
3 sentences.
And 2 of them are about food.
He is a dog, Chloe.
You are my friend.
Robert.
I heard him.
He said it right. He said it perfectly.
Yes. And nobody taught him that one.
Biscuit.
Yes, Johnny. Biscuit.